India on Saturday delivered 15 tons of relief materials to Myanmar under its Operation Brahma that was launched after a powerful earthquake hit the neighboring country as well as Thailand. India sent the relief materials to the city Yangon in a C-130J military transport aircraft of the Indian Air Force. The supplies included tents, sleeping bags, blankets, ready-to-eat meals, water purifiers, solar lamps, generator sets, and essential medicines, officials said. Two more IAF aircraft are being loaded with relief material for Myanmar, and the planes will depart from Hindon Air Force Station soon, they said. First humanitarian aid from India has reached the Yangon airport in Myanmar. India has acted as a first responder to assist the people of Myanmar affected by Friday's massive earthquake, External Affairs Ministry spokesperson Randhir Jaiswal said. The earthquake rocked Myanmar and neighboring Thailand on Friday, destroying buildings, bridges, and other infrastructures. More than 1,000 people are reportedly killed in Myanmar. The Indian Embassy in Myanmar said it is coordinating speedy delivery of assistance and relief supplies from India with Myanmar. It posted on X, "We are also in constant touch with Indian community. Reiterate our emergency number for needy Indian nationals." Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday expressed concern over the devastating earthquake in Myanmar and Thailand and said India stands ready to offer all possible assistance to the two countries. Modi said on X, and I quote, "Concerned by the situation in the wake of the earthquake in Myanmar and Thailand, praying for the safety and well-being of everyone." He added, India stands ready to offer all possible assistance. In this regard, asked our authorities to be on standby, also asked the MEA to remain in touch with the governments of Myanmar and Thailand. Several other countries have also extended aid and assistance to Myanmar following the devastating earthquake. A Chinese rescue team arrived in Yangon, Myanmar's commercial capital, and is set to travel inland to affected areas, according to state media. Chinese President Xi Jinping spoke with Myanmar's junta chief and pledged $13.77 million in humanitarian aid, including tents, blankets, and emergency medical kits, as announced by China's embassy in Myanmar. Meanwhile, the United States, despite its strained ties with Myanmar's military and sanctions on its officials, has also committed to providing assistance to support relief efforts. Russia, Malaysia, and Singapore were also sending plane loads of relief supplies and personnel. The Association of Southeast Asian Nations, a 10-country bloc that includes Myanmar, said that it recognized the urgent need for humanitarian assistance. South Korea said it would provide an initial $2 million in humanitarian aid to Myanmar through international organizations. This is a developing story. Stay tuned with Indian Express for all the latest updates.